How are you, Zawad? Fazil.
Fine, sir.
So,
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, you are fine. So, did you go through some other questions from this worksheet? Hmm?
No, sir, I didn't actually.
Go through. So, how many we did in last
I'll
class?
do it, sir, inshallah. Sir, we did one only,
Which
the
one?
easiest one.
Which one?
Number, wait, sir. Sir, go down.
Hmm.
Mm,
This one,
yeah,
three.
three and four.
Yeah, 3 and 4 we did. Okay. Yeah. Faiza. Faiza is joining, right? Hmm. Faiza is coming. So, what is the answer of 6? Zawad, you read 6.
Sir, what about 5, sir?
We will go back. Huh? Then the easier things we are doing first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Which types of electromagnetic radiation are both used to kill cancerous cells and are both used to detect cracks in metals? Cracks in metals.
Hmm. Hmm. You check
Sir,
the.
I think B. A or
Sir,
B
the answer
because
will be
gamma.
correct. B, B.
B. Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you see the applications,
Sir,
right?
because gamma rays are always used to kill the cancerous.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So if you see the applications we gave at last, right, in notes, that one is giving you the answer, right? Gamma rays and X rays.
Yes,
So it's coming from the applications. You have to just remember them, right? All the applications.
yes,
Then
sir.
question 7.
Question 7 is which statement about red light and blue light is correct? Sir, of course, red light has higher frequency than blue light.
Sir,
It's
I think,
real.
sir, B, sir, is the answer.
B. B, yes, sir.
Yeah, red light has lower frequency, right?
Yeah, lower frequency, yes, sir. The violet has the highest frequency,
So red light has longer wavelength than blue light.
longer wavelength. Sir, I mistakenly thought it was the wavelength. So in a
So
hurry, I
you
told
you
Sir,
A.
remember it.
but sir, red light has the same speed in glass as blue light.
Yeah,
That doesn't matter.
yeah.
Matter is
You
frequency.
you see, it's in vacuum. Check the notes. It's in vacuum or air, right? Not in glass. In glass, red light has more speed than blue light. The one has more speed, that one is bending less. Okay? Sad, take the notes.
So,
Take the
sorry,
notes
sir.
now.
Can you, sir?
Yeah,
Sir, can you just explain, sir?
I'm saying again, red light has a longer wavelength and it's bending less, right? You write it. Red light has longer wavelength and it's bending less in glass than blue. Have you written, Mohammed Saad?
And less in glass
Sir,
or vacuum,
red
sir?
light has longer wavelength, so it is bending less in glass.
Yeah, it is bending less in glass than blue light.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. In glass, then blue light. Okay, sir. Finish.
Then beside this also, right? That's why the speed of red is more in glass.
That's that's why the
That's
speed
why
of red is more in.
the speed of red light is more in glass than blue light. You know V equals F
That's
lambda, right?
sir. Can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
again? That's why the speed of red light is more than blue light.
Yeah, that's why speed of red light is more in glass than blue light.
Oh, more than blue light. Okay, sir. More in glass.
Okay, so what I was saying, V equals F lambda, right?
Yes, sir.
So frequency remains change. Lambda is here. You see changing, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So lambda,
Lambda is
where is
changing.
lambda greater? We are having the speed also greater, isn't it?
Hmm.
Longer wavelength means more speed, isn't it? Hello. Have you
Yes,
understood
sir. Longer
from my
wavelength.
side?
No, sir. Actually, so if the speed is more, then why it is not bending?
It's bending, but bending less.
But why, sir? That is my concern.
Yeah, a very good question. Uh, if any light, if any light or any electromagnetic wave, they are traveling through any transparent medium with an angle, then they will bend because speed is changing, right? The reason is speed is changing,
Speed is
right?
changing.
Yeah, with an angle when they are going, then they have bending towards the normal or away from the normal, right? It depends if they are going
Yes,
from
sir.
if they are going from rarer to denser, there is bending towards the normal. Okay, and
And
here
from
we are,
denser to rarer,
yeah,
then it is away from the normal.
yeah, and here we are also getting something more than previous idea. That is this bending depending on wavelength, right? According to their wavelength, the one which has more
Yes, sir.
wavelength that is bending less, but there is bending. Okay, from the definition of dispersion of light, we got it that there is splitting of light according to their wavelength, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And in that list we got red is bending least and violet is bending most, right?
Yeah, sir.
So we are having bending of light, all of them, bending of electromagnetic waves for all of them, but there is a ratio depending on the wavelengths. Is it clear?
Sir, which worksheet is this, sir?
Yes, sir.
This one
Sir,
is
I have another
Oh,
question, sir.
diversion of light. Sorry.
yeah, it's written here. Look, 15 worksheet on dispersion of light and
Yes,
Sir,
electromagnetic
I have a
sir.
query,
spectrum.
sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, in this here, sir, here all there is a note, sir. All electromagnetic waves travel with the same high speed in air. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Sir,
Yes, in air, we are not talking about air now. We are talking about glass, right?
in
In
glass it will
glass,
change.
yeah, in glass the speed is changing, and it depending on the wavelength. If the wavelength is more, the speed is more. If the wavelength is less, speed is less. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay, so
you,
if it was
But
with air or vacuum, so the speed would be same, no?
yeah, in
Like
air
speed
and
travel.
vacuum, the speed is same for all of them. Now you understood? Hello,
Yes,
Mohammed
sir.
Saad.
yes, sir. But I have another, sir. That
Mm-hmm. Say, say,
sir, that is why how, let me sir,
say.
uh, sir, why the wavelength? Like we're depending on the wavelength here.
You see, if the wavelength is, bigger, then it's the tendency of light that they are bending less. Okay.
Okay, so oh, it's a tendency. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the property of light. If the wavelength is more, then there will be less bending. It's one of the property of light. Like if your step is, if you are going through a very densely grassed field, if your step is bigger, if your step is bigger, then there is less likely that you will bend less, right? Than your other friends whose step is uh, shorter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yeah.
like that. It's a little bit similar. We can understand from our real life. That's why I brought this idea. So it's clear now.
Yes, sir. And the frequency will be same, right, sir?
Yeah, frequency for red it is same. For blue, the frequency it is same. Okay, not like the red, blue, all of have the same frequency. They have different frequency, but their own frequency is not changing. It's fixed, right? Wherever
And
they are
sir,
going, they are going to
and
grass
sir,
or water or anywhere, their frequency remains same. Yeah. Still?
and sir, yeah, what is the so lambda wavelength is inversely proportional to f, right, sir?
Yes. Correct. Correct. That means
But
if
how, sir?
uh, that one is related to v equals f lambda, this formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I know that. But sir, here the wavelength are not wavelengths are not changing. No, sorry, the frequency is not changing actually.
No, we are not thinking about glass. That formula we related in vacuum or air, where the speed of light is same for all of them. That time we can say that that formula V is constant in the vacuum, right? For all of them.
Yeah.
So we can understand lambda is inversely proportional to frequency, so that we can understand that all these electromagnetic waves they are working with this relationship, that if any electromagnetic spectrum it has more wavelength, that one has less frequency. Okay, like
Oh,
yeah,
it has a sorry, it has a lot of colors, like a lot of rays coming out from the
like
source.
from gamma rays to radio waves, all of them. uh, we gave you a chart, right? Hello, we gave you a chart, right? From gamma rays to radio waves,
Yeah.
gamma
Yes,
rays,
sir.
then X-rays, then we have ultraviolet rays, then visible light, then infrared, then microwaves, then radio waves, right? All of them. So
Yes, sir.
in this spectrum or in this chart, we had if wavelength increases, then frequency decreases, right? That is for vacuum and air, right? Isn't it? Where they have the same speed, where they all have the same speed. This relationship works where they all have the same speed, it clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your questioning. Now we are going to the top now. Now you can get them. Yeah, uh, we have with us Adnan Rahim, Faiza, then Ravi, then Shafkat. They join later. So all of you, thank you so much for joining. Uh, and please be attentive from now on. Any
Sir, the
questions?
class is finished.
No, no, you not finished. As they join late, I am saying them to concentrate, right? And if they have any
Okay.
questions, if they have any questions, they can ask. Okay, you don't hesitate. Though you join late, you might have some questions. Then that one you don't miss. You ask me, so that we can discuss it and we can repeat it. No problem. Okay, question number one. Adnan Rahim, read. Question number one.
So which one?
One. Question one. Read loudly.
Is A showed down less and reflected. Sorry. B slowed down less and reflected more.
Can you
Sir.
please read again, Adnan Rahim? I did not get some part of your reading.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
it is net. It's disturbing.
My network is my
Again
net is
read,
disturbing,
Adnan.
sir.
Adnan, from the beginning you read again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
First,
Yeah, there might be some problem in network, right?
Yes,
Adnan?
sir. So let me read, sir.
Yeah,
White light is dispersed by a prism.
showed down less, reflected more.
Compared with blue light, the red light is, sir. Can I answer it, sir?
yeah, you can answer. You can answer. Yeah,
শেষ তো আবার পড়ুন কেন
yeah, you
কোশ্চেন
just
শেষ
pick the correct answer.
sir, A will be the correct answer, sir.
A will be the correct answer. Okay. So compare the blue light. Compared with blue light, the red light is slowed down less and refracted less. Can you
Sir,
explain
because it
how?
has slowed down, that's why it is less.
Yeah, refracted
Why
less.
reflected less, sir? I don't understand that one.
Actually, bending is called refraction, right?
Yes, sir.
So red light is bending less if you compare with blue, right?
Oh, yes, sir. We
That's
wrote it.
why we say it refracted less.
Okay,
And
sir.
why it is refracted less or bending less? Because it's slowed down
It
less. It
has.
has more speed, right? In
Hmm.
uh, the prism, it has more speed, red light, because it has longer wavelength. So you can write all this information here. They who
Sir, if it is refracted less, then what happens?
I'm
Like
writing.
it reflect less or something other happens. Like there are many things like refraction or
You write
reflection or total internal.
not reflection. It's only refraction. Refracted.
So the thing is that it's only refract less.
Refracted less means
Oh,
you write
speed
also
is slow.
because maybe you will forget again. Refracted
Yes, yes,
less
right.
means bending less. Okay, so you write this. Refracted less means bending less. Uh, is slowed down because it has more speed in glass. It means red, huh? Red, red color, huh? Or red light, whatever you say, red color. Slow down less because it has more speed in glass than blue light or blue color, whatever you say. Blue light.
Sir, if it
Since
was in air, then thing would change.
in air, all of them they have the same speed.
Speed. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
since it has longer wavelength.
Sir, can I ask you
Sir,
something,
I
sir?
have a query, sir.
Sure, sure,
Sir,
sure.
sir, after sir, like getting slowed down, entering the air from the glass and then entering in the air or vacuum, sir, does the ray is traveling with the same slowed down speed, or
Yeah, look, inside the glass, like
yeah?
the speed it has in glass for the entire path in glass, it has the same speed. The speed it gains. Okay.
No, 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 sir. I'm not asking that, sir. After like coming out of the glass,
Okay, coming out of
it
the
is
glass, if it is coming out of the glass, then speed increases. Okay, like in glass,
like it was before.
yeah, like it was before in vacuum, same speed again.
Yeah, that's sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, clear now?
Sir, then in that case, the answer will be also same, like A. If we
Hmm?
all like think like that,
What?
in a way, the answer would be same. Like the Sat question, like the speed will change or not. It has the same definition as the answer. Like it will slow down less and deflect less because it has more speed, so it
Hmm,
will like less
hmm.
bend.
Yes.
Okay, sir,
So
understood.
it's clear to you. Any more questions? Anyone?
No, sir.
Shafkat,
No, sir. No.
please write this information. What I am writing here, you also write this information, and it's better to
Okay,
have
sir.
the
Right.
printed, this worksheet printed,
Sir,
so
up
that
to this,
Yes,
I
sir.
have
I will
uh,
print
do.
today.
yeah, so that you can use it as a resource for your O level. Mind it, everyone. This one is the resource for your O level. Okay, so
Sir,
you
up to
take it,
this,
yeah, take it seriously. Okay, once you are getting any notes, I think it's enough for you, more than enough. Okay, whatever I gave you for O level preparation. So uh, take this opportunity, everyone. Huh? Utilize them. If you are now serious, then you will not have any worries, or you do not need to give any more time later for the same thing. Okay, so is the wise decision that you have to be serious now. Huh? If you serious now, then in later time you will find some what should I say, leisure time, free time, tension free time. Otherwise all these things will come together in your head. It will be very much pressure on you. Okay, question number 2 now. Question number 2. Yeah, Rabi, where is Rabi?
Yes, sir.
Please read please, question number 2.
Type of electromagnetic radiation possesses the following properties. It is ionizing, its frequency is higher than the frequency of microwaves. It is not detected by the human eye. What is this radiation? Um,
So I think B,
A is the
infrared,
correct answer.
or A, yeah.
A
A
is the
or
correct
B.
answer.
Yeah,
A,
A
sir.
is the correct answer. Yeah, gamma rays. Because all the properties are matching only with gamma rays.
Sir. Sir, infrared could be seen, sir.
Hmm?
Like we can see infrared radiation.
No, we cannot actually. We cannot see infrared. We cannot see radio waves. Only we can see
Yes, sir.
light. But
Light, yes,
they
sir.
are asking you about all the properties matching with which one. Yeah.
It's ionizing. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
So frequency. If you think about frequency, infrared has a lower frequency than gamma rays, right?
Micro. What is
Yeah. So in that case, it's not matching with infrared. Okay. So you have to match
okay,
with
sir.
all three properties. And gamma rays, this
Yes.
is ionizing. Infrared, radio waves, they are not ionizing. Is it clear? So, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Anyone you have any questions, you can ask. Please feel free. Huh? Don't hesitate. Don't think that I was not present. How can I ask question? You ask. Be bold. Then 3, 4 we did in last class. Now question 5. Question 5. Shafkat. Shafkat,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please read question 5.
Sure, sir. Blue and yellow are colors in the visible spectrum. Which color has the lower frequency and which color has the longer wavelength? আচ্ছা longer wavelength তো হবে
Disconnected.
yellow, এটা lower frequency এটা কোনটা হবে?
Sir, B is the correct answer, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার B হবে তো।
Lower frequency.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
lower frequency, sir.
Yeah, you check the list.
Sir,
VibGeo,
ROGYI.
VibGeo, you
VibGeo.
check which one has lower frequency.
VIBGO. Sir, you have to check the notes. VibGeo,
Yeah,
স্যার
sir, I
যত
always.
নিচে যাব
Sir,
frequency কি
sir,
কমবে
blue
না
has
বাড়বে এটা ভুলে গেছি।
Yeah, VibGeo.
Yes, sir.
If
Who has
you go down, frequency increases.
Yes, sir.
If you go up, frequency becomes lower.
Okay,
Sir,
then sir B
yellow
হবে।
has the. Yes.
Then which one? Shafkat, which one? Bangladesh or Dhaka?
বাংলাদেশ।
Bangladesh, how? Blue has the lower frequency
Yeah.
or yellow has the lower frequency?
No, ওটাই তো স্যার সি স্যার সি has the lower
ও
frequency
ও
yellow.
সরি C স্যার।
Blue has the
Not C, not C. Longer wavelength. Blue has the longer wavelength.
blue. No, sir. It will be D.
Dhaka. It's
I think so.
Dhaka. The appropriate
Dhaka.
answer is
D কি
Dhaka.
Yes,
হবে স্যার?
Sir, I have a sir question, sir. Sir, lower wavelength means like the wavelength increases going down, right?
Just simply small. You say small. Lower frequency means smaller frequency, right?
ও আচ্ছা এটা লোয়ার স্যার
Yes,
আমি
sir.
লঙ্গার ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি ধরতেছি কেন জানি।
Yes, this wording is a little bit, confusing. That's why
স্যার
I
ওইটা লঙ্গার তো ভাবছি স্যার এটাও লঙ্গার।
yeah. So you are thinking, both are longer, right? Or you are thinking both are lower. That way it becomes puzzled, right? But you think individually, like lower frequency
Yes,
should
sir.
be yellow. Longer wavelength, it should be yellow, right?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? So,
Yes, sir.
Saad,
Yeah.
Mohammad Saad, have you understood why I brought 5 later?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why sometimes we are taking some easier question first, then some complex question later. Okay, now let us go to the next. 6 we did,
Number 8.
7 we did.
8, sir.
Yeah, 8. 8 also like 6. 8 also like 5. Huh? Okay, check. Yeah, Shafkat, read it.
Sir, red has the violet has
Shafkat.
the higher frequency this time for
Yeah,
sure.
Shafkat, read again.
Sir,
Eight number,
C.
eight number.
C
8, 8,
for sure.
8.
8.
Okay, red and
C.
violet are the colors at the ends of the visible spectrum. How do the frequencies and the wavelengths of these colors compare? আচ্ছা, higher frequency হবে
So it is
Yeah,
easy as
think.
C,
higher
sir, for sure.
frequency তো violet হবেই
Yes,
আর
yes.
long
Higher frequency is violet. Then longer wavelength,
red, হ্যাঁ তো C হবে, এটা তো
C.
সবচেয়ে easy টা C.
C.
Yes, C. Correct. So now 5, when you are done with 5, now 8 is easier, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
তো 8 আগে দিলেও
No, sir.
পারতাম স্যার
Like,
5
sir,
5
sir, if you give 8, yeah, we could
Yeah,
do it.
yeah. People are like that. Like in Quran, it says many times that when they are in the middle of sea, then there is storm coming. Oh, oh Allah, save us, save us. Then when they are coming to the shore, close to the land, they say, oh, it's not a matter. They forget their previous time.
No, sir,
Okay, now
because, sir,
9.
like red and
Question
violet
9
are
now.
the
Look,
common.
this is a tricky question, 9. Little bit tricky. Okay, so here, who will read here? Faiza, Faiza, where are you? Faiza, Faiza, will you remain silent? Read 9, question 9.
Yes, sir.
Question 9.
Okay.
We
The
missed
table
you
lists
last
the
Sir, D
classes.
for Dhaka.
Hey, don't talk. Mohammad Saad, let her write. Yeah, read. Yes,
আজ
Faiza,
একটু
read.
বেশি বুঝি
Faiza, read.
Okay, sir. The table lists the main components of the electromagnetic spectrum and their approximate frequency range. Gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwaves, and radio waves. Frequency, which range of frequencies can be used to detect cracks inside a block of metal.
So,
And
which
option A, 10
option?
to the power cube hertz to
No, you
10,
just
12
pick the correct
hertz.
option. You just pick the correct option. That's it.
Oh, sir, I need to answer that.
Yeah, yeah. Try it.
Um,
Try it. Look, look. The question is asking you which are used to detect cracks. So already we got the idea. You see, today we only discussed at the beginning which are used to detect cracks. That is gamma rays and X-rays, right?
yes,
At the
sir.
beginning we discussed. So it's not new to you as you joined today at the beginning. So you take from gamma rays and X-rays. What is the range? Gamma rays start from 10 to the power 18 till 10 to the power 21. Then, sorry, X-rays. X-rays start from 10 to the power 18, then goes to till 10 to the power 21. Then gamma rays is going
Answer
from
is D, sir.
10 to the power 19 to 10 to the power 20. So their starting is from 10 to the power 18, then ending is 10 to the power 22. So the range, which one is the answer?
Sir,
Faiza?
D.
কি স্যার
Yeah,
D
D
for
for
Dhaka.
Dhaka, right? Faiza, you understood it?
Yes, sir.
No, Faiza, have you understood?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay,
So is the
okay,
answer.
okay, very good. There you continue 10. Continue 10. This is also easy question, eh? Continue 10. Read.
Okay. The diagram shows the main sections of the electromagnetic spectrum in order of increasing frequency. Some of the sections are leveled. The section R has a frequency just below that of light. Which application uses the section R?
Uh, first you think
Se-
what is R? If you know
Sir,
the, if you know the, the all the name of electromagnetic spectrum, then you can find the name of R. Okay, we gave the list in our last class. So, do you know it, Faiza? I also
No,
gave
sir,
this.
I wasn't
This
present
one
from
also
last
I gave.
class.
We
Sir,
gave
I
in.
think B for Bangladesh.
It's R. R is
Sir,
R.
D
What
for
is?
sir, D for Dhaka, sir.
So first you tell me
Sir,
what
D
is
for
this
Dhaka.
part? Yeah,
D or
Jawad.
D?
Jawad. Jawad,
Yes,
first
yes,
you
sir.
tell me what is R?
Sir, wait, sir. Let me see the previous notes.
Yeah, great. So,
Infrared. Infrared.
yeah, infrared. It is
Yes, sir. Infrared.
so infrared use you see applications of infrared.
Infrared application survey. Let me see. Where I wrote there. Wait, sir. Infrared, sir. Household electrical appliances.
Then
Then, sir, then there is nothing, sir, for
what
me.
is written there? Nothing else, only household.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think I
No,
didn't
sir.
wrote. I
Household
think the
electrical appliances, television controllers, and intruder alarms.
So you missed the notes.
sir not. Yes, sir. I think time was finished, sir. I have all other notes, but not this
So
one.
it's in our
Wait, sir.
group. You check it from the group. You write it from there. Huh? I sent it to
Okay,
group
sir. Yes, sir.
so that everyone can write who missed even the class.
Yes, sir.
So today you learn them. Huh? In our next class,
Oh,
you should be more confident, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Don't miss in next class. Please be ready. Huh? Be on your toes. Okay. Then 11. Adnan Rahim, read 11.
Sir, what is the answer to 10, sir?
10 remote controller.
D for Dhaka.
What?
Television remote controller. Infrared. You write here we have infrared and use of infrared is television remote controller.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay, then 11. Read. Adnan Rahim, read.
Different parts of electromagnetic. Wait, sir. Different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum are used for different purposes. Below are 4 statements about parts of the spectrum. Statement 1: infrared waves are used in television remote controllers. Statement 2: radio waves are used to transmit television pictures from satellites to Earth. Statement 3: ultraviolet waves are used for intruder alarms. Statement 4: X-rays are used for security checks. Which statements are correct? Sir, I think 2 and 3, sir, or 1 and 3.
1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Any
1
more
and 2,
idea?
yes, sir.
Any more idea? So you check it,
Sorry,
huh?
sir.
You check it from the list. In our next class, we will continue. Okay, no problem. You try rest of the MCQs also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
rest of the MCQs
Yes,
you try
sir.
in next
Okay,
class. We will
sir.
try them.
X-rays are. Oh, yes.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, eh?
I love, sir.
Salam
Allah
alaikum.
Hafiz.